Doctor. Has the train arrived yet?
No, not yet.
Is the train almost here?
Not yet.
Is the train almost here?
Shh, please. I am trying to listen. That is the sound of a train. The train is coming.
Hooray! The train is coming! The train is coming!
All aboard! How many passengers have we today?
How many passengers? Just a moment, please. I am 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. We are 4 passengers.
And I have 1, 2, 3. 3 carriages. Will that be enough for you all?
Will it be enough? One moment, please, madam. Just one moment. 4 passengers and only 3 carriages. Will that be enough for us all? I think we should check and see. Tony, go and sit in the first carriage.
Yay! I get to be in the first carriage.
Timmy, go and sit in the second carriage.
Yay! I get to be in the second carriage.
Teddy, go and sit in the third carriage.
Yay! I get to be in the third carriage.
But what about me?
That's it, I'm afraid. The train is full. There is no more room.
As it turns out, 3 carriages won't be enough for 4 tortoises. There's a carriage missing. Madam, there isn't a carriage for me. This is a problem.
A problem? No problem at all. I can easily bring another carriage. 2 carriages if you like.
Oh, excellent, excellent. Thank you very much, madam. All done. We can go now.
Hooray! The train is leaving the station.
I'm sorry. Not yet. I can't go till all the carriages are full. And as far as I can see, there is still 1 empty carriage.
Oh dear. There are too many carriages. There is still 1 empty carriage. Somebody has to fill it. But who? Mr. Hippopotamus! Mr. Hippopotamus! Hello there. Would you like to join us for a ride on the train?
A ride on the train? Why not?
Hooray!
Excellent! Now Mr. Hippopotamus will climb into the last carriage and the train will be full. Madam, the train is now full. I believe we can go now.
All aboard!
Hooray!
Isn't it nice that the train is moving slowly?
Oh, the train is moving slowly.
It can move faster.
Whee!
Excuse me, madam. Could you please drive slowly?
Go faster.
Whee! Slowly.
Go faster.
Slowly.
Go faster.